Hi, Sylvie.
Hi,
Thanks for having me. Oh, wow.
You're very welcome.
We are in a beautiful apartment in Dubai Marina, and I really thanks the client who allows us to work with her. She has a lot of great idea, and the house looks even better than they expected, than the 3D, than everything. She has a lot of soul, family of 5. Her husband was involved in the renovation, and they really want, she explained what we've done, because the amount of changing, it's incredible. So please, Sylvie, please describe this house.
There was a room here. Here was a closet, and here was a wall with a toilet there. So with my husband, when we saw this apartment, even though it was not an apartment with the right distribution, this is the reason we bought the apartment. The view, it's 260 degrees view. We can see Atlantis from here, and in the evening, my God, it's so beautiful. You can see all the boats coming around with people. It's really nice. So we contract Cynthia, she's a sweetheart person.
Connection, good
connection was there. And we started the renovation.
I remember the day that you told me I want to cover my TV with a panel.
Yes, directly.
Show us the panel.
So this is the panel. We choose something from Van Gogh because I'm painting, so my inspiration is Van Gogh. So
this basically is just a panel covering the wallpaper, hiding the TV and the bathroom, because this was a bedroom, as she said, with the bathroom. So Sylvie, can you show the bathroom?
Yes.
It's a hidden gem.
If you open to the other side, you can find the bathroom here. That is a pair bathroom.
So this is very smart, because in case one day she wants to resell and people they want again to have a bedroom here, they can immediately have a bedroom with a bathroom. So always when you do a change, always think about reselling.
Yeah.
This house is Giardino Verticale. You know, in Milan we have this building with all the green, and she loves green. She didn't even know she loves
even
green.
Plants.
And plants.
This was like a small column. With Cynthia was like the idea what to do. So the idea was like covering and make like a Giardino Verticale. So put many plants that coming down, falling like a cascade.
Each plant, they are separate, see?
Yes.
So she will not ruin all the woodwork. And whatever you can see is a collecting items from their life. This is what I really love. Have a look, every single piece, remember something of their life. This is what I'm in love. And the story of this chandelier. First time you went on the showroom, what you said? I want.
Yes, it's love at the first sight.
Exactly.
So I said, okay, I want that. And we have been struggling with the ceiling, but finally was there, and they can fit correctly to the table. And we found this table that in fact it's a wood petrified. So it's like adding the element of the nature.
And talking about this, you can appreciate the beauty of this powder room, even for the tiles. What I like of her, she knows what she likes. So first time that we enter in the shop, she fell in love with these tiles immediately.
Yeah.
And if you can see how many beautiful elements she had, stone, real stone. Sylvie, what about the basin?
Yes, the basin we found as well, even the lamps there, and some of the stones we collect in our life is from China.
I love it.
It's a very old one, just to hide the old,
the panel.
Yes.
And here you can see this beautiful corner again with the plant. So she bring the outside inside. This is something really unique. It's the first time that we do something like this. Let's talk about the corridor, because we really need to say that your husband had a great idea.
The corridor was so dark. He thought, okay, to make different kind of level of lights. So
this was a very dark area, and if you can see here the element of the light on the floor. Here you pass and you have the laundry that is very clever, because she hid a big fridge. So the kitchen has the wine cellar, the oven in the island. Here everything hidden, where you have all the cabinet, insert fridge.
Everything.
So I really like this fact that is like the candy of the house.
Yeah.
No? The light reflect on the ceiling. They always consider also this. It's fantastic. The light in this house is really well done started. Very, very nice. And here the dining.
Here, yes, this kind of dining, like a round table to sit like cozy. It's like we have in the family. My mom has, my grandmother has like
Beautiful.
that. So we say, why not in Dubai? We have something from our.
Of course.
Yeah.
This is what I notice in Dubai, and the kind of renovation that we are doing in the last period is people with soul, that they bring here their roots, and they want the house even for the kids. It's not anymore touch and go, renovation. No. Passing from here, I can show you the special paint that we use here. This kind of deep green royal velvet Jotun that is fantastic, and the introduction of brown cabinet. It's really nice. So we love brown. Huh? So,
Yes, brown and green.
brown and green.
And here I paint, so I have this small room office just to have my paints and a small place to put them.
Here there is a huge guest room.
Yes, the guest room.
It's huge. Really has a nice size, this apartment, with his own bathroom. Very nice, the light. I love the kind of art that you are. It's beautiful.
Yes, that one is silk paint. I did it like 2000. Yes, I did it as well.
Wow. And see this beautiful, the color of this champagne. I'm in love. So here we pass and we go to the master. Here we change the layout as well, no? In order to have a walk-in closet.
This one was a big corridor and
Useless.
useless. So it was open here and make the room here and all this closet.
And here we found this beautiful reading light, very hotel style, adding this decorative, beautiful wallpaper. In this house, what I really feel is the peace, very calm, I feel also you. So you are master bathroom, where again you can appreciate this blue element of again stone that is super nice, hidden cabinet for perfume and cream, a huge big shower. Unfortunately, we cannot change the glass in clear glass because the view, every single room has a beautiful view in this apartment. Thanks a lot for watching. This beautiful apartment will be featured by Better Living. We are always in collaboration. Thanks, Sylvie.
Oh, thank you for coming. Thank you for the renovation. And I hope you enjoy it.
A lot.